Well, not too much to complain about with the weather today, except it was extremely humid. Heat index values right around 100 degrees, but daytime highs in the upper 80s, 89 here in Macon, 90 in Dublin. Since then, we've seen about a 14-degree drop in temperatures, 76 in Macon, 77, excuse me, Warner Robins. Still in the upper 70s in Dublin, Hawkinsville, and Cordele, all locations south of I-16 mainly, also holding into the upper 70s north and east. We're starting to see some cooling off to the north and west, but eventually the dew points are so high, we're not expecting the temperatures to drop too much throughout the overnight hours. Overnight lows only expected to drop into the mid-70s tonight. Current satellite and radar is showing the clouds trying to filter in. This is all moving down to the south and east. And right now, we're seeing some clear skies in Forsyth, Montezuma, the areas where you're seeing the clear skies. You may see the temperatures drop to the overnight low faster than the cloudier conditions. But as I said, the air is extremely moist out there. It takes longer for moist air to cool off than it would dry air. And with the humidity and the dew point still up into the mid-70s, let's not expect temperatures to drop too much further throughout the overnight hours. Now, your first look ahead, ignore the rain showers. There were rain showers out there earlier today. Nothing out there as of right now. And as you progress throughout the overnight hours, that's pretty much what we can expect. We'll see the chance of some fog overnight just due to the humidity and the moisture. But other than that, it's going to be a quiet night. Clouds move back into the forecast tomorrow, but we're still going to deal with lots of sunshine. Very small chance of isolated showers tomorrow. I think we got the same setup tomorrow as we did today, and that is the case for the first half of the week altogether. We're really not talking about anything significant in rain chances. And by the time we get to Wednesday, we're going to eliminate rain out of our forecast altogether. Now, as you take a look at your temperature forecast first thing tomorrow morning, expect temperatures in the mid-70s tomorrow afternoon. I say we break 90 degrees tomorrow, mid to lower 90s across the entire viewing area. Heat and humidity will be a problem once again, so look for heat index values above 100 degrees tomorrow. Now, as for the tropics, we do have one area of concern, and that is making its way into the Lesser Antilles Islands. This system has about a 10% chance of development, and we're going to have to keep a close eye on it because the models all have this system impacting the southeastern portions of the United States. But the good news is, as it progresses to the United States, it's going to encounter the islands of Hispaniola and Cuba, and that's going to work into weakening this system. So by the time it gets through all that land and terrain, it may not be much left of that system. 7-day forecast calls for 92 degrees tomorrow, 91 on Labor Day. A hot Labor Day weekend is ahead of us. We're looking at very small rain chances for the next 3 days. And as we get into Wednesday, we're looking at more of a northeasterly, northwesterly flow coming back into the forecast. It's going to knock the humidity down, but the heat is going to stay there. The rain chances will fade with it as well. Fish and Game forecast calls for 2 peaks barely in the good range, 11:40 a.m., 12 o'clock tomorrow, midnight. So today